Hey guys, it is January the 6th, 2021, and I am at the ROMAR Beach Public Beach Access today. I'm going to give you a little look ahead of what to expect for Orange Beach in 2021. It looks as of now, plans are in place to eliminate the free parking access at the 4 state-owned public beach accesses in Orange Beach, going into effect around spring break of 2021. This includes the Shell Lot public beach access, the Alabama Point East beach access, the Cotton Bayou public beach access, and here at ROMAR Beach public beach access. These pay-to-park meters are springing up at all 4 of the state-owned public beach accesses here in Orange Beach. It's unclear yet if city residents will have a free pass or a discounted rate, and they're still working out the details to see how much it will actually cost to park. They already have the parking meters installed here under the Perdido Pass Bridge. And this is where they will be installing one of the pay meters here at the Alabama Point East public beach access. There was already a parking fee in effect for the beach pavilion here at the Gulf State Park here in Gulf Shores. But coming in 2021, when the Gulf State Park Pier reopens, there will also be a parking fee to park at the State Pier, in addition to a fee to go out on the pier itself. The City of Gulf Shores has had paid beachfront parking for a while, but unlike the City of Orange Beach, the City of Gulf Shores does own a few beach accesses. But they also offer the residents who live here their own little private parking lot here. You just have to have your hurricane decal to show proof of residency. As it stands now, 2021 will be the end of free access to the public beaches here in Orange Beach. You'll either have to be staying at a condo or beachfront house to have access to the Gulf, or you'll have to pay for parking at one of the 4 state-owned public beach accesses. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. Happy New Year, and hopefully 2021 is going to be a lot better than 2020.